नमस्कार, लाइव इंडिया 24 में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं मानवेंद्र। जी हाँ दोस्तों, अभी हम सीपीजे कॉलेज में और हमारे साथ हैं दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के पूर्व जज जस्टिस ML मेहता साहब। आइए जानते हैं कि आके ओरिएंटेशन क्लास में आए हैं यहाँ पर क्या कुछ वो अपने फोकस करने के लिए बात उन्होंने कहा है। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जिस प्रकार से आपने स्टूडेंट को कहा कि आपको फोकस करना है, आखिर किस विषय पर फोकस करना है?
आई एम रियली डिलाइटेड टू बी हियर एंड शेयर माय थॉट्स विद द young students who are going to be the future lawyers and the future legal fraternity of the country. I'm seeing that the students seem to be quite focused,
जी,
Focus in the sense, if once you have chosen to be in the legal profession, then you have to, since you have taken a conscious decision to be in legal profession, then you have to focus on that. Otherwise, you will go haywire.
जी,
So that is why I was emphasizing, like Dr. Chaturvedi also, that you see, once you are taken a conscious decision to be in law, and there are many opportunities in law now. Now, it's not only that you have to be a litigating lawyer or a corporate lawyer. There are a lot of opportunities. So the students have to now think out of the box.
Yeah.
The whole linear thinking of the legal profession will not hold any longer good now. So this is what I was talking to the students of. You see, focus on your career, focus on your, and be disciplined. So discipline yourself, discipline your mind, and then respect yourself, respect teachers, the college, your colleagues. Because you see, where you have to live together, so it's very important to respect the other and accept the other as they are. Don't discriminate them because of caste, religion, or creed or anything. So these students seem to be quite interested and focused, I'm sure.
ये आपने सर एक और बात कही थी कि हर आदमी को लॉ पढ़ना चाहिए, लॉ के बारे में जानना चाहिए।
हाँ, लॉ, क्योंकि लॉ इसी actually in my way of looking at law is nothing but the society's needs and social changes. So whatever the law is basically norms what we according to which we conduct ourselves. Everybody in the society conducts himself, and so that's very important. Even for day-to-day living, day-to-day working, we need to know our rights and duties, because law encompasses rights and duties and obligations. So law goes with the society, and society, there's a change in the society. Law has to keep pace with the change in the society. So that's why I say everybody needs to understand the basic concept of law. You see, the people do not know what is will, how the will is registered, what is attestation, how the affidavit is formed. So all these basic things are very essential, even for the layman, common man also. So that's why I say, even those who are not in the profession of law, they need to understand at least the basic concepts of law. Because if they are able to understand the law, they will be able to understand about their rights and duties in the society.
CPG कॉलेज के बारे में क्या करेंगे, जिस प्रकार से वो लॉ जाते हैं और काफ़ी स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर?
No, CPJ College, I'm really impressed, I tell you. Really impressed with the kind of activities they are taking. They are involved in the library. They have very nice library, the auditorium, and everything is very well maintained. And this is as per the required standards of law, because the old time law schools what we had, from which we have been, there's a lot of change. This is the requirement matching international standards, which is certainly the minimum standards which are required for providing conducive atmosphere to explore your potential in the field of law is very important, which is here.
जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो ये थे हमारे साथ ML मेहता साहब, जो पूर्व जज हैं दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के, जिन्होंने साफ तौर से कहा कि अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो फोकस होना चाहिए, आपको जीरो टॉलरेंस पर काम करना चाहिए, तभी आप जाकर बेहतर लॉयर बनेंगे और बेहतर जज भी बनेंगे। कैमरा पर्सन हेमेंद्र के साथ मानवेंद्र, नमस्कार।
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं, ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।